Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. Well, you know I love myself some seafood, so tonight we're going to fry up some sea scallops in the air fryer. Okay, I have mixed up 1 egg. I rinsed off my sea scallops and I pat them dry. I put my seasoned flour in a bag. You can use any type of seasoned mix. You can make your own, but I'm going to use this again. I really like this Zatarain's Crispy Southern Fish Fry. I'm also going to add some more garlic powder to my mix here. I'm going to take the scallops and put them over into the egg wash. So I'm going to put them in the egg wash and then I'm going to dump them over into the breading. Okay, now I'm going to take each scallop and put it over into the breading mix. I mean, if you want, you could take your time and dredge each scallop through the egg and then into the flour, into the egg, into the flour, if you want, but I can get the same results doing it a quick way. Okay, flip up the bag, shake it up, get all your scallops coated. Oh, they're looking pretty good. Okay, let's get these bad boys into the air fryer. Okay, I have the scallops into the air fryer basket. I'm going to spritz the scallops with a little oil. You can use any type of oil you want. Okay, let's get these into the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to turn the air fryer on. Set it for 400. I'm going to keep it at 12 minutes. I've not done this before, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I'm going to come back and check it in 6 minutes. And flip them over and spray them again. Be right back. Here we go, guys. Look. They look just right. Hot, but crispy. Okay. Let's get this plated. The total cook time was 10 minutes. Okay, guys, don't these scallops look good? Look, it's still hot. I was trying to let it cool. It's nice and crunchy. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. This is good. This is good. The winner. So now I can fry up my scallops without having all that oil. I'm excited about this. Yeah, remember I did the oysters. So you might want to check out that video. Okay, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.